Hey, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you why I love these mason jars with a wide mouth. I use this for multiple things, not only to store my oatmeal, some seeds, but I also use them for my smoothies. I make my smoothie, I put the lid, and I bring it with me on the go. I also use it instead of my cups. This helps me save space in my kitchen, so I use this for my glass of water with lime in the morning, and it works just perfect. Also, what I love about this is that I can put my whole hands in here when I'm washing, leaving it very clean. And also, since it's glass, you're not going to see any stains on it. It's perfect for multi-use. You can even use it to put some flowers and make it look very cute and original. I love it, and I know you will too, and that's just my point of view.